Nashville River event was canceled because the river is flooded. So, yeah, I wanted to go on boat tour today. That's not happening, but yeah, it was pretty fun. We just got snow cones. Stop being awkward, Abram.
I would say that.
Weren't they good?
They were.
There. I'm hot.
I know. Oh no.
I don't know if you can see this.
That one hit the ground and the propeller kind of exploded off.
This is actually kind of scary. They're going super fast. Pretty cool. There's so many people here. Oh my god. So we're going to see Sublime. Apparently they're huge. We have not even seen this place like half as busy as it is tonight. We had to park like half a mile away on this random street. This is nuts. Oh my god. This is just the line to like get into the place. Alright, we made it over near the stage. Kind of. We're still pretty far away from the stage. This is all the people here so far. Oh